This video is an overview for a lesson for grades 6 through 8. The first lesson of Unit 1 is Digital Life 101, and it has the icon for self-image and identity. When you open up the lesson, you'll get an overview and a video for the lesson, along with a video about using Animoto. The downloadable PDF comes in English, Spanish, or French. If you use Nearpod, you can click here for this lesson, and if you use iPads and iBooks, you could click here. Here are the lesson objectives, the standards, and additional lesson materials, the family tip sheet in Spanish or English, and the student activity sheet in Spanish or English as well. Here we can access the assessment, and down here we have extra resources. Now I'm going to open up the PDF. After it downloads, go ahead and open it. And here we have the detailed lesson. This lesson is Digital Life 101 with an essential question of what is the place of digital media in our lives. Here's the lesson overview, the learning objectives, materials and preparation, and family resources. On this side, we have an estimated time of 45 minutes, the standards, and key vocabulary. On the second page, we have the introduction with a suggested 5 minutes. In the first part of the body of the lesson, which starts with watching the video, and they suggest about 10 minutes for this part. And here's the second part. Make a concept map, and they suggest about 15 minutes for this lesson, or this part. And then part 3, create similes. It's going to take about 10 minutes. The lessons are scripted, so you can print these off or keep them on your device and just read right off the page. Here we have the closing, and they recommend about 5 minutes for the closing. On the following pages, we're going to have the worksheets. These are student worksheets. The little quiz there. And then answers. And then we have the assessment. And the answer sheet, the teacher version for the assessment. Again, this is a PDF. You can print this off, and then there's no need for student devices. And that completes our overview of a lesson for grades 6 through 8.